Bounds.
You also want to think about the way you present, and it will be different for different situations. You know this. Sometimes it's formal, sometimes it's very informal.
თუმცა ჩვენი თემა არ იქნება რა არის ჰობი ან ესე შემდეგ ჩვენ სხვანაირად
So you don't want to make your presentation just a random assortment of lists. There should be some reason. So today's workshop topic was effective presentations, and we had about 12 participants, and we learned, we talked about some 6 tips to make most effective presentations, and then we had a chance to practice by making short presentations. And I think the participants today were all really very smart and did a great job, and I hope that they enjoyed the workshop and learned something.
ვიყავი ერთად ტრენინგის ფარგლებში ასეთ ტრენინგზე. ბევრი რამ მისწავლე ეფექტური პრეზენტაციის შესახებ, თუნდაც ის 6 წესი, რომელიც ჩვენმა ტრენერმა გვასწავლა.
Bounds.